What if Nigeria's most misunderstood region is also the one growing the fastest? What if the progress you've been told doesn't exist is actually happening in real time, quietly, consistently, and without national attention? And what if the greatest transformation in Nigeria today is happening in the southeast, unseen, uncelebrated, and unreported? For years, conversations about development in Nigeria have always pointed away from the southeast. People say it's slow. People say it's behind. People say it lacks modern infrastructure. But step into these cities today, and you will see a different story entirely. A story Nigeria rarely tells, because it doesn't fit the long-standing assumptions. The Southeast has never waited for federal allocations or political favors. It has always relied on two forces: self-help and private investment. While other regions depend heavily on government presence, the Southeast depends on its people, their money, their drive, their resilience. This model builds quietly. No noise, no billboards boasting about government projects. Just pure, steady progress that doesn't trend on social media because the workers are too busy building. In the last decade, Southeast cities have undergone transformations that Nigeria barely acknowledges. Abakaliki, once mocked, now one of the most modernized capitals. Flyovers, clean corridors, modern markets. Enugu, steady expansion with new suburban estates, tech hubs, and some of the best planned neighborhoods in Nigeria. Awka, massive infrastructure renewal, thriving private universities, and a booming real estate sector. Aba, road rehabilitation is bringing back industry and manufacturing investors. Onitsha, still Africa's commercial giant, yet its new estates and riverside development rarely makes national headlines. These changes are not theories. They are visible, physical, documented, but still ignored. Here's the uncomfortable truth. The Southeast development does not fit the national story. It is not loud. It is not government-driven. It is not fueled by federal presence. And because it's mostly private, there is no central PR system to showcase the progress. So the media focuses elsewhere, on bigger states, bigger budgets, bigger headlines. Meanwhile, the region grows in silence, with progress so consistent that even the residents don't always see the transformation in real time. Another reason the Southeast is overlooked is perception. Many Nigerians still view it through an outdated lens, a lens from the 1990s and early 2000s. They remember the erosion, the bad roads, the abandoned markets, the neglected cities. But they forget that cities evolve, regions grow, and what they saw 20 years ago is no longer reality. The Southeast has simply outgrown the image Nigeria chooses to hold onto. The Southeast is not trying to compete with anyone. It is building for itself, for its people, for a generation that values clean streets, functional infrastructure, productive commerce, and self-driven progress. Urban growth here is different. It doesn't depend on political cycles. It doesn't pause for elections. It doesn't wait for Abuja. It moves, as long as the people move.